Singh Yadav's demise. Remember, the polling has already taken place and December 8 is also going to be very critical because the results for the Uttar Pradesh bypolls, 3 seats have been polled for over there, but all eyes are on Mainpuri because for the BJP and the Samajwadi Party, it's an issue of naak, a naak ki ladai. It's a prestige battle and the fight is set to go down to the wire. Who is ahead? Who is going to win? And is the idea of India before everyone else going to win over the issue of Parivarwad? This question is to Ghanshyam Tiwari, National Spokesperson of Samajwadi Party. SP Singh Baghel, who used to be one time very close confidant of Netaji, said 4 days ago कि नेताजी उनके सपने में आए थे और उन्होंने कहा कि अगर सच में उनकी विरासत जिंदा रहनी है तो बीजेपी को जीतना चाहिए. घनश्याम तिवारी.
Good evening, Padmaja, to you, my fellow co-panelists and the viewers. You started by saying that issue is the agenda for India or the idea of India versus Parivarwad. I want to ask you and the BJP spokesperson, Sanju Verma ji, who is the father of Adityanath, Yogi Adityanath? That's a question.
How is that relevant?
No, I refuse to answer these kind of...
It's a very simple question. Because on his official affidavit, his father is the Mathadish or late Mathadish of the Math he comes from.
Okay.
So, who was also a member of parliament from the same constituency.
Okay.
So
you are saying he is also a byproduct of dynasty.
When you mention Parivarwad, I don't know if idea of India is now being cooked up at times now, and other parties, opposition parties have been marked as Parivarwad. I don't know if that is the point that you are trying to make.
Okay, no, that is not the point I am trying to make. The idea of India is that it's an egalitarian society where anyone at all, somebody who is a personal security officer of Netaji is today a union minister and a member of parliament. That is the idea of India.
Coming to it.
That somebody in a union cabinet doesn't need to be a member of the family, he can be PSO also. Or वो आज वो union minister है. And since you spoke of Parivarwad, let me give you a quick example, sir. And let me give you a few names. Hold on, Mr. Tiwari. Hold on.
I asked the question.
It's not about attacking times now. I will give you facts.
I asked the question. The answer did not come. Please allow me to complete.
Okay, answer this, Sanju Verma. Then I will put out a few facts. But let me quickly take 30 seconds because you named Yogi Adityanath and his father, who must be named by Sanju Verma. But before that, I want to throw a few names at you.
Why can't you name them?
Ghanshyam Tiwari. Here are the few names that I want to throw at you. It starts with Mulayam Singh Yadav. His son Akhilesh Yadav, he is former member of parliament, now MLA, former chief minister. Dimple Yadav, former member of parliament. Then Prateek Yadav, he is not in active politics, but Prateek Yadav's wife was a candidate of the Samajwadi Party from Lucknow Cant. Before that, then there's Shivpal Yadav. He was earlier in Samajwadi Party. Now he's in PSP. His son Aditya Yadav, he is also the Adhyaksh of PSP. Then you've got Rajpal Yadav, who is the brother of Mulayam Singh Yadav. His son Anshul Yadav is Zilla Panchayat Adhyaksh from Etawah. Rajpal Yadav's wife also has been 2 times Zilla Panchayat Adhyaksh, Premlata Yadav. Then you have another brother of Mulayam Singh ji, Abhay Ram Yadav. Abhay Ram Yadav's son Dharmendra Yadav is former member of parliament. Dharmendra Yadav's brother Anurag Yadav has fought an election on Samajwadi Party ticket. Dharmendra Yadav's sister Sandhya Yadav has been Zilla Panchayat chief in Mainpuri. Sheila Yadav has also fought on a Samajwadi Party ticket. And I can go on and on.
It is your debate, you can monopolize it. I have asked a question, half a sentence, and you have spoken 10 sentences. Allow me to complete.
I am quoting 15 names. I have quoted 10 names. I have 5 more.
Allow me to speak.
Abhi I just come to the third brother. Abhi fourth brother's family is also in politics.
Please allow, you could name the entire family of people of SP, but you could not name the father
there
of the chief minister.
There are 15 people.
No, please.
Do you know that earlier only the Yadav family were members of parliament?
I will not debate like this. If you continue to heckle, I will not debate.
It's not heckle, sir. I am giving you facts. I am giving you names.
Please allow me to speak.
Okay, let Sanju Verma respond, but answer Sanju Verma to the limited question that Yogi Adityanath accuses Akhilesh Yadav, but forgets that he also inherited from his father.
I will not continue. I will not continue if I am not allowed.
But you've asked a question, I'm asking it to Sanju Verma.
I have said few words and you heckled me. Allow me to complete.
This is not heckling. This is putting out facts.
I will not continue the debate.
Okay, I am going to give you 30 seconds. Ask a question. Sanju Verma will respond. 30 seconds, Ghanshyam Tiwari.
So 3 points quickly. One is you could name 15 members, you could not name the Chief Minister's father. That's one. Point two,
I will do
that in Rampur, the voting percentage was 31.94%. There goes your idea of India that Times Now propagates. That a constituency that had nearly 60% voting. Today in double engine Sarkar, people were unable to vote. There are videos, but you will not put out those videos. And point number 3, if you were to show the Parivarwad of BJP that is available on social media in the similar way, who knows, Mr. Adani might want to buy Times Now. So we know the standard of media where you could not name the Chief Minister's father, but
sir, with the greatest of respect, you can abuse the media, you can abuse Times Now, but that still won't get you back Azamgarh.
I mean,
मैंने तो जाकर के EVM नहीं दबाई ना आजमगढ़ में. That to people voted. Anyhow, answer Yogi Adityanath's father, Sanju Verma. Yogi Adityanath's father, Sanju Verma.
I will, I don't wish to threaten you, Padmaja, that I will leave because you are always very fair with me. But let me make some points. Ghanshyam, please, we heard you. Now listen to this. Yogi Adityanath is the second born among 4 brothers and 3 sisters. His father, the late Anand Singh Bisht, is no more. Yogi Adityanath traditionally belongs to the Rajput family. His name is Ajay Singh Bisht. अभी योगी आदित्यनाथ के बारे में कम बात करते हैं. I just want to say one thing to you. Akhilesh Yadav's uncle Ram Gopal Yadav, he was a Lok Sabha MP from 2004 to 2008 from Sambhal. After that चुनाव जीतना बंद कर दिया, तो अखिलेश यादव ने अपने अंकल राम गोपाल यादव को 2008 से आज तक ही राज्यसभा MP. Now करहल से who's the MLA? It is समाजवादी पार्टी के आपके नेता अखिलेश यादव. जसवंत नगर से कौन है MLA? अगेन अखिलेश यादव के अंकल शिवपाल यादव. तो इसलिए यहां बैठकर सबका साथ सबका विकास पर भाषण मत दीजिए. इज नरेंद्र मोदी's brother an MLA or an MP? No. So what are you exactly trying to prove the point, Ghanshyam? The point is you were sitting on every debate with me and saying Akhilesh Yadav will come back to power in 2022. For all your false bravado, you were limited to 111 seats. इसीलिए have some introspection. बीजेपी को सर्टिफिकेट देना नैतिकता पर
घनश्याम तिवारी
बंद करिए.
I did not say that. I said what I said. But the point is that when we are discussing the bypolls and we do not show a policeman threatening an old man, abusing people, not allowing people to vote. These are visuals that are available with the media.
By the way, sir, they have run non-stop on our channel and they are running even as we speak. And not just of threatening, by the way, of your allegation that EVMs were being taken, which the Election Commission said were reserve machines. Here, I don't know if you can see a TV. Watch it on your TV or watch it on your mobile later on. Go on.
Please, you did not interject when BJP spokesperson was speaking. Till this point, the Election Commission has not said a single point about why the voter turnout was 31.94%. What are we doing with these videos? If BJP's model is to threaten the voters, right? Even if it is caught on camera. For example, just today the Lakhimpur Kheri murder charges have been framed when entire BJP spokesperson were defending Mr. Ajay Mishra's son. So this is the model of Bharatiya Janata Party. We will know what the people have voted in Manpuri. We are going to win.
Okay, but you say you are going to win. We will see what happens in just about 30 hours from now. And that being said, sir, a very humble reminder that these were the same EVMs which in 2012 brought you into power, and these were the same EVMs that have sent multiple members of the Yadav family into the Lok Sabha as well.